Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and I wanted to show off this beautiful reed diffuser behind me from AROMATIKA. Now, if you are dying to go on a beach vacation, but it's just not in the cards right now, this will take you there. Just close your eyes and imagine it. It is a coconut scented reed diffuser. Coconut is my favorite scent, favorite flavor. It's my favorite everything. So when I saw that they had a coconut scented reed diffuser, I was sold. It comes pre-filled in a glass jar. It had a little cork, so you just take out the cork, grab the reeds that come with it, and put them inside, and you're ready to have a beautiful scented room. So what I like to do is rotate my reeds every once in a while. This keeps the scent really strong. So I've had people walk into my house and compliment the smell in here. It does really fill the air with that beautiful tropical warm coconut scent. It's very pretty. The glass jar is a beautiful shape. You can use this all over the house. So in your bathroom, in your office, in your kitchen window, wherever you want. It adds a nice element of decor. It's a natural, beautiful looking accessory, but on top of that, it just smells really great. I know they have all kinds of different scents, but I do find it fills the whole space. So if you're looking to maybe avoid air fresheners or burning a candle and do something a little different, I highly recommend this reed diffuser, and that's my point of view.